In this video, I will show you how to add text over an image on Wix. In order to do that, I have in here this image, and if I want to add a text, I just need to click on this plus option and then click on this text option and then just choosing here the theme text, titles, or paragraphs that you want. I'll just head over and choose in here heading 3, and then as you can see, it's already over the actual image. Now just click on this particular thing and then just put in here anything you want. For example, let's put in here be you always, and then just put in here the text that you want, and then you can actually customize it. You can make this bigger, you can make this bold, italicized. You can also change in here the effects that this will have, as well as the color of this particular text. For example, for this one, let's make this blue. And then once you're done editing, just go and then put that and align it to your liking.